I want to go over what is included in one of the basic drain kits that's commonly used in the field of IR. There are many different brands, many different sizes and types. This is just one example. So this in this particular drain kit, it's a 10 French Maclock all-purpose drain. What you have in the kit is a few different things. You have the actual drain itself, which I'll show you here. And you can kind of, obviously you can flush the drain like so. And then how this Maclock works is that it's a pigtail device, and you have some suture here, and you can see that the suture is actually connected to the tip end here. And what you want to do is, if you want to actually curl up the tip and pull it and form it, you will pull back on the suture here, and then you will close right there like this and snap this down like so, and this will lock the suture in place, and this will not uncurl. Now the nice thing about this is that you can actually open this back up before you cut the suture like so, and then unlock it so that it's not that's not a permanent lock. So it's important to keep that in mind, that is how this particular style of tube is locked into place. Then you have, with the kit, both a metal introducer as well as a metal trocar. So, first things first, the trocar is our sharps here. You have this little trocar here. You want to be careful. You can put that in your safe there with your sharps. That can be used for a trocar introduction of the drain somewhere. Oftentimes we don't do that, but it's important to know that it's there, and if you need to use it, you can. Then there's the metal introducer. This has a little stylet on the inside, but which can be removed if you're going to flush it. And this is kind of used as a stiffener, so you can actually place this within your drain here and kind of, have it form there, and you can actually kind of twist and lock this into place. So for kind of fresher tubes, that you may need the stiffness of this particular system, which it can be nice, and you can kind of put this here as well too. And then we also have a plastic introducer as well too. So our introducers can be flushed just like the drain. This is not as rigid, obviously, as our metal introducer, but it can be used in a similar fashion. And in certain cases, you maybe need a little bit more stability than what you had with the metal, what you had without any introducer, but not so stiff as the metal. And this is what this is used for. Okay, and this is really to help kind of take off or take away that pigtail loop there. So that's everything that's included for actually putting the drain together. And then also there's the StatLock device, which can be used to secure the drain, and we can kind of go over how this works. This oftentimes comes with many of the kits as well too. But we'll go over kind of how to actually place the drain here in a moment, and we'll take it from there.